Hi guys, that clip I just showed you is from the Star Wars miniseries, Star Wars Clone Wars. So today I'm going to be talking about and as you just saw, Mace Windu actually used a forbidden force power called Force Crush. And basically what that is it basically kind of crushes the life out of any living organism. It doesn't work on things like droids, so it has to be living and organic. But so that is why General Grievous had a cough in Revenge of the Sith, because of course Mace Windu used Force Crush on him. Now first let me explain how Mace Windu could use Force Crush, because Force Crush is actually a Sith power, and one of the most evil powers at that. It literally crushes the life out of anything organic. So yeah, Mace Windu definitely did not use its full potential. And of course, being the awesomeness that Mace Windu just is, because he's just awesome, he can use that power. Because he has a purple lightsaber, of course, which signifies he can use the powers of the dark side and channel his inner dark side without totally turning to the dark side. Because he's just Mace Windu and he's just Samuel L. Jackson. Like, seriously. Anyway, so yeah, that's why General Grievous had a cough in Revenge of the Sith. Of course, now in the new Disney's canon, it is considered a legend, so it shouldn't really be taken too seriously. But I mean, I'd take it seriously. I mean, what else? Why else would he have a cough in Revenge of the Sith? So anyway, if you liked what you saw, please leave a like. If you want me to do more Star Wars theory type videos like this one, please say in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.